always hesitating. Kryptonite desires.
Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning. I did get up at 6 o'clock. It's 6:34 in the morning. I have to get up because the pain is crazy, guys. I have to take my doll because I got my thing. And then I let the dog out also. The pain is crazy. I can't believe it. When it comes to monthly, and if it's come in the morning like this, the pain woke me up. And then even though I don't like taking medicine without eating anything, I don't have a choice. I don't like eating this early, and I have to take even though without any food. Happy 28th of December, guys. 28th already. Yeah, it's really fast. And yeah, December, Christmas is just like that, very quick. Let me see if I have a sweater in the floor. It's colder today. Yeah, it's colder, so I have some sweater here. I will wear it because I'm freezing. Another sweater the same color. But this is good wearing like this. I had my breakfast. My god, I don't have my croissants. The croissants is in the other house, so I don't have it here. At saka yung lips ko, sobrang dry talaga, as in. This is my problem every winter. Before that, I have a very, very serious bleeding lips. Before, I use different kind of chopsticks, and all those chopsticks doesn't work for me. So I found out that the blue one is kind of good, but sometimes because it's too cold, it's still going to bleed. Mostly in the morning when I get up after brushing teeth. And I noticed that. I just wanna... Oh my god. Itong si Roxy, guys, sobra. Very noisy. She's looking at me right now. The time is 8:56 in the morning. And I'm watching few vlogs. And after this, I'm gonna continue the vlog for later. Sobrang ganahan. Oh my god, even my foot, it's cracked. Oh my god. I always forget to bring how do you call that, guys? The petroleum jelly. I have a big can for just for my foot area, around my foot and my heel. In winter, it get worse really bad. It hurts, itch like crazy. As you notice, I always wear socks on, and before I wear socks after shower, I always rub a petroleum jelly on my foot and then wear socks, and then later on at night I take it off. I always take off the socks before I go to bed. My foot feels so like smooth, and that's how I noticed. Lately I forgot it's in the other house because I don't bring it here. I always put this cover, guys. When we finally moved in here, I'm not going to put this because it's really for bed. But I'm not gonna put it in this couch when we finally moved in here, because I want to put a white cover with a hairy kind of thing. I see that from Target. Where else? Walmart. Walmart. And I want to get that for just to cover here and the other couch, because you know, like the cats, and you know, the heat, you know, when people don't have shower, and the oily hair, and I don't want it rub in the couch, so I decided to put this in. So that's why we cover it, the hair and the people, you know, when we don't shower and we have oily hair and we keep rubbing like that. I don't want it the couch, you know. So that's the reason why we put cover in our couch. The dog is barking outside. Oh, I think I told you yesterday's vlog that tomorrow, Thursday, we're gonna pick up the new car. Hopefully it is final. And yeah, so I can't wait to have Tommy's car, the old one. I'm comfortable with the old one because that's what I've been using since I started driving. And yeah, I'm excited also to use the small one, the Subaru. Two cars that I really want. You have a dream car, right? You know, all you have to do is dream. First thing is the Wrangler Jeep white. or white or gray or charcoal color. That is one of my favorite car ever. It's a Wrangler Jeep. And also guys, the other car that I'm dreaming is the Buick one. That's all. Only two cars, the Wrangler Jeep, the Sahara, and the Buick. I'll put the picture in the side. So yun lang guys. I'm just gonna lie down here and wait for my baby. It says that it's going to snow today or rain. Yeah, and it's a cold day today. I'm going to make something for lunch. I think I'm going to fry it's the Toronto ka guys. I'm waiting for Tommy to come home here, but obviously he's still in the house. I can't ask him a favor because I want him to get some Burger King. There is things in Burger King that I love so much guys. The chicken sandwich, they're very, very good guys. I'm telling you, the chicken sandwich is the best. I'm going to have lunch in here in my dining area. So yeah guys, this is my lunch. Broccoli rub that we have left over the other day, Christmas, and lasagna, and then the turon, and I have my water right here. What are you staring at me for? You guys stay there. Misty? Stay there. Rox, you wait over there, okay? Like a virgin. Oop. The thing about Christmas, after Christmas, you know, before Christmas, you're crazy putting all the decoration. But Christmas is really fast. After New Year, you start getting rid of Christmas lights, the decoration. You know what I mean? Oh, I still have turon left, guys. I probably gonna give that to Tommy. I'm just gonna put all this crap over here. We're leaving the house. Tommy is here. Hi, Tommy. Hi. Hi, Tommy. I'm in Pin, Tommy. This is really feels nice. Oh, this is the one I got for you with the thing inside in it.
Yeah.
And the dog is right there. What is it? Oh, they're looking. Oh, my Roxy and Mythicals. Most people here have their own, like, how do you call that? Plow. But listen, do you want me to drive, hon?
No.
I can drive. Tommy?
I can drive too. Okay. Besides, I'm going a new way. I'm going the other way I said I'm going to be going. That's the way I've been coming and going.
You did?
Yeah, it works good.
Really? I wanna know that. Okay guys, the pain will get worse. Nakalog-kalog sa sasakyan. Nag-bumpy-bumpy ang sasakyan. Kumakalog din sa loob ko guys. Look. I'll see you later.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
that Roxy's all started, you know, drooling.
The United States. I know, right?
We're almost zombie boy. Daddy make you drool? The way Daddy drive?
You'll be home soon. You see the kitty cat. You see Dipper Lip and Lip.
Yeah.
You see little bug. You see Grandma.
Oh, you don't have
any.
any.
Auntie G, she's gone.
Do you miss the cats, son? When you left? Oh my God, they're like
I
looking.
miss them even when they're there.
They are looking around like.
They liked having them at the house too.
Yeah.
Because then it was like home.
Yeah.
with crimson secrets and forbidden.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Hmm? I love you, bug. Anyway, guys, I will call it a night. I will call it a night and we're gonna later. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye. They're not there. Han, are you up there?